Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat cookies for weight loss. First, understand that oats are a fantastic base, offering fiber that keeps you feeling full longer. We'll focus on natural sweeteners like maple syrup or stevia to keep sugar content low. Also, adding healthy fats from ingredients like chopped nuts or seeds will boost satiety, helping you manage cravings throughout your day. When selecting ingredients, opt for rolled oats instead of instant varieties for a chewier texture and more fiber. For a healthier fat alternative, swap out butter for unsweetened applesauce or mashed banana. This significantly reduces calories. Consider adding a scoop of protein powder or a tablespoon of chia seeds to your batter to enhance the nutritional profile and keep you satisfied. For optimal results, bake your oat cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they turn a lovely golden brown. Precision is key when measuring ingredients. This ensures you maintain accurate calorie counts for effective weight management. Remember to practice portion control by limiting your serving size to just 1 or 2 cookies per snack. Once baked, allow your delicious oat cookies to cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh for up to 5 days, making them perfect for meal prepping healthy snacks throughout the week. Enjoy them with a glass of unsweetened almond milk for a balanced treat. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.